Hello, this video is a little different, just an extra video for this bank holiday, because Stockport recently opened a new piece of infrastructure that, to me at least, was interesting enough it was worth a look around. So this is Stockport Interchange. It's a brand new mixed-use development with a public park, a residential tower and a bus interchange. It only opened to the public on Sunday the 17th of March, so it's still very fresh and new. As you can see, there is easy access with a new bridge from the station onto the park, which is level with the A6. Just as a note, the residential tower isn't fully complete, but the park is fully kitted out with lovely landscaping, playground equipment, and a mix of cycle and pedestrian paving. Of course, below is the main reason we have this new park, a brand new bus interchange, which you can have great views from above. There's step-free access down into the interchange with a cycle ramp coming soon as well. The interchange itself is modern and clean, just what you would expect. It has 18 bus stands and it is able to accommodate 168 buses per hour, and it will be ready for the Metrolink if the trams ever arrive in Stockport, which has been looked at very recently. That's pretty much it. Hope you're having a great Easter. There's a Buxton Barrow Man video coming out tomorrow, but until then, ta-ra.